After 7 years of planning and construction, the mini-spheres of the Amazon rainforest are finally opening in Seattle. The spheres, as they are known, has 40,000 plants from 30 different countries around the world. They were designed as places where employees can go to rest or meet with others outside their desks. The spheres also feature living walls, which are vertical gardens with more than 25,000 plants woven into 4,000 square feet of mesh. The structure is made of 3 connected spheres constructed of glass and steel, can accommodate up to 800 people. The largest sphere is 90 feet high and 130 feet wide. Inside, it is warm and humid, with temperatures that average 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% humidity. There are microclimates within the spheres, so if you prefer something a little hotter or colder, it is very likely that there is a space that suits your comfort. Then you're not too hot and annoying. There is a ventilation system that mimics a windy breeze. The spheres are equipped with Wi-Fi and meeting rooms with names of jungle like Bird's Nest. Even with the option to relax, Amazon will control how much time employees spend within the spheres through their ID cards, so that no one can dominate the space or ignore tasks to spend an entire day in artificial nature.